Welcome to Off-Road Travel TV.
We're here at the Beta Factory Race Shop in Paso Robles, California with AMA Hall of Famer Rodney Smith. Rodney's also an AMA Grand National Cross Country Champion, ISD gold medalist, and he's here to give us a lot of tech tips today.
In this episode, we're going to talk about how to adjust your dirt bike chain properly. The first thing you want to do is check your owner's manual for the proper chain tension. Once you're familiar with that and you're familiar with your bike, like for me with Betas, we always know there's two fingers from the back of the chain guide, so I know that's my proper chain tension. So first thing I'd want to do is release the rear wheel with a socket and a good wrench by loosening up the nut, the large nut. And then once you've gotten that loosened, you want to take a 13 and a 10 wrench, and you want to break loose the lock nut. Oops, wait. Once you break loose the lock nuts on both sides, then what I like to do, if I know my chain, I've been running it for quite a while, and I know that my chain's properly, straight aligned, then I like to take a half a turn here, take a half a turn on this side. By doing that, I keep the chain aligned. When I'm finally done, I will put tension on the bottom of the chain and align it, and you can even spin the wheel a little bit to make sure the chain is straight still. Another way you can check it is you got marks. Sometimes they're a little bit harder to see. So once I've been running my chain for quite a while, I've been having my wheel aligned, and I take a half a turn here, and the chain tension's good, then I'm pretty comfortable knowing that it's staying straight. Every now and then you do want to check your marks. I also check the gap between here and the gap on the other side to make sure they're the same. But the final thing you want to do is always spin the wheel and make sure the chain's coming onto the sprocket aligned. Once we know we got the chain and the wheel aligned properly like we like it and the chain's adjusted where we want it, you can take a soft rag. Some people can use a wrench, but I like to use something softer. Pull it back tight into the sprocket and chain, which pulls the wheel up tight against your adjusters. Then I like to tighten up the axle good and tight, get it good and snug. Pull back out the rag. Then I like to come back over to the adjusters, put a little bit of tension on the back side of it, and then tighten up your lock nut. Make sure you do it the same on both sides. I'll tighten up this one here. And then on my final part, I come back over the nut again, the main nut, and make sure the axle's good and tight. Hope these tips helped you out. Good luck on your riding.